that they might be planning another big show. It works so well, they'd say, play it again, Sam. Of course, this is her perspective of all the performances, connecting the dots, no birth certificates, holograms. Definitely a grand performance. White clothes, fireworks, and with all those people, oh, my device must be behind. Thank you. I'm so glad. With all of those people, 80,000 people in this Charlie Kirk memorial for his death that had been booked 5 months before the event. Maybe Charlie's just a prophet, right?